Welcome back, everybody. We have a very nice, interesting question that we're going to be solving. And the question says, find the value of a given that a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 2a plus 8. Now, we're going to be starting with this exponent. So we have a to the power of a to be equal to 2 to the power of. Now notice that 2 is common in this exponent. So I'm going to be factoring out 2, open bracket. Now 2a divided by 2, I have a, so I'm going to be writing a here, plus, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Very good. And then this becomes a to power a equal to, now from indices, I can say 2 squared gives 4. Now I'm left with a plus 4 as the power. Now our next step will be for us to apply the property of indices that says that when I have a, for example, to the power of b plus c, this is the same as a to the power of b times a to the power of c. And we're going to be applying this property to what we have on the right hand side. So we have a to power a to be equal to, now this expression, just like this, now becomes 4 to power a times 4 to the power of 4. Very good. Now let's divide both sides by 4 to power a. So we have a to power a divided by 4 to power a. This is equal to, the right hand side we have 4 to power a times 4 to power 4. I'm also going to be dividing by 4 to power a. Now notice something, that 4 to power a cancels out from the right hand side. So we are left with a to power a all over 4 to power a to be equal to, here we have 4 to power 4. Very good. Now let's apply this property of indices that says that when I have, for example, a to power n all over b to power n, this is the same as a all over b all raised to the common power of n. So we apply this to what we have here. That means this expression can be written as a over 4 all raised to the common power of a, and this is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Very good. Now I want the exponent on the left hand side to be the same as the base on the left hand side. That means I have to multiply the exponent by 1 all over 4. And remember, when I multiply the exponent on the left by 1 all over 4, I must also do the same thing to the right hand side. So we have on the left, we have a over 4 all raised to the power of a. Now I'll multiply the exponent by 1 all over 4. This is equal to 4 to the power of 4. I'll also multiply the exponent here by 1 all over 4. Good. Now what's something? We have a all over 4 all raised to the power of a times 1 is a all over 4. Very good. This is equal to, now notice that this 4 cancels out this 4, leaving behind 4 to the power of 1, which is the same as 4. We can simplify this further, so we have a all over 4 all raised to the power of a all over 4 to be equal to 4 is a perfect square, which means it can be written as 2 squared. Very good. Now what's something? Notice that the base here and the exponent here are the same. The same thing is with the right hand side. The base here and the exponents are the same. So what does that show? By comparison, we can then say that a over 4 is equal to 2. And when we cross multiply, A will be equal to 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. And this is our value for A. Now let's check our answer. So check. The given question is A to power A equal to 2 to power 2A plus 8. And we found out that our value for A is equal to 8. Now let's check if the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. So this is A, so that will be 8 raised to the power of 8. This is equal to, now the right hand side we have 2 to the power of 2 times A, that is 2 times 8 plus 8. Very good. Now watch what happens. 8 to the power of 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 times 8 is 16, and then plus 8. Good. So this simplifies into 8 to power 8. This is equal to 2 to the power of 16 plus 8 is 24. Good. Now simplifying further, we have 8 to power 8 to be equal to 2 to the power of 24 is the same as 3 times 8. Very good. Now from indices, I can decide to group it like this. It is still the same thing since the powers multiply. So now watch something. We have 8 to power 8 to be equal to, now 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and this is raised to the power of 8. Now see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So our value for A equal to 8 is actually correct. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.